The Big Bad Wolf and the Robot Pig. Chapter 1. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down, cried the wolf. Huff, puff, huff, puff, huff. You can't get us, Mr. Wolf. You can't get us, Mr. Wolf, squealed the silly little pig. You're hairy and scary, but we're too clever for you. However, only of the pigs was actually clever. One pig was very lazy. The third pig was very greedy. Clever pig had knocked on us made of straws and wood. He built all their houses from strong steel with high teeth. Security system. Huff, puff, wheeze. The wolf huffed and puffed until he was panting out of breath. I give up, he said. He walked away with his tail between his legs. That evening he sat at his dinner table with nothing to eat. I can't scare the pigs with any more. That means no more bacon, sausages, or ham. Just the thought of the juicy meat made the wolf hungrier. He licked his lips. I have get those pigs. Suddenly the wolf had an idea. Chapter 2. If I can't get into the pig's house, said the wolf, I will make them come to me. The wolf got to work at once. He hammered and banged, and sparks flew everywhere. He used tin cans and egg cartons. He worked all night until finally his creation was ready. I will call him Robot Pig, said the wolf. He'll come robot. Splash, hammering. Robot Pig will knock on the three little pigs' door and invite them to a dinner party at my house. He will be the perfect trap, laughed. He will be the perfect trap, laughed the wolf. He doesn't look much like a pig, the wolf worried. I know, he cried. He went to the cupboard and got out a big tin of pig paint. This will do the trick, he said, pouring paint all over the metal creature. Then the wolf got out a remote control, pressed a big red button. Oink, said the pig. Hello, master, Ikra shouted the wolf. It works! Wolf looked hungrily at the robot pig. If you weren't made out of tin cans, I would eat all you up. He smiled, licking his lips. Licking, licking his lips. Yuck. Okay, so chapter 3. Zzz, zzz. Lady Pig was having a nap when there was a knock at his door. "Who is it?" asked Lazy Pig sleepily. "I am your new neighbor," said the Robot Pig. "Phew, it's just a big pig. I thought it might be the wolf trying to eat me," said Lazy. He slid the door chains off and unlocked the deadbolt. The door swung up. "Hello," said the Robot Pig. "I would like to invite you to a dinner party this evening." "Oh, yawned Lazy Pig. I really do have a lot of sleeping to do." "There will be a big bed full of soft straw and fluffy pillows," added Robot Pig. In case, count me in," said Lazy Pig. So, dinner party with straws, very comfy pillows. Dinner party over here. This is gonna be fun. Next, Robot Pig knocked at the door of Greedy Pig. "Hello, please come to my party. There will be huge plate of cake, jello, ice cream, and milkshakes." Cakes, jello, ice cream, milkshakes. "Yes, yes, yes," said Greedy Pig, drooling. "I'll be there." "My plan is working perfectly," whispered the wolf, peering out from behind a bush. Finally, Robot Pig knocked on the door of Clever Pig's house. "We are holding a dinner party for all the cleverest pigs in the country. Will be our guest of honor." Clever Pig was easily flattered. "Of course," he said proudly. Wolf smiled, flashing 2 rows of pointy yellow teeth. Pointy and yellow. "What a feast! I will have tasty pigs as the appetizer, main course, and dessert." Chapter 4. Knock, knock, knock. The wolf heard the sound of hots of tapping on his door. 3 juicy pigs were outside. "I don't need to go out for dinner," said the wolf. "I've got room service." The wolf behind the cupboard, using the remote control, he rolled the Robot Pig to the front door. "Welcome to my dinner party," said the Robot Pig. "Do come in." There was one big empty plate in the middle of the table. "Where's the bed?" asked Lazy Pig. "Where's the food?" asked Greedy Pig. "Where's all the clever pigs?" asked the Clever Pig. "Have something to eat," said Robot Pig. The Clever Pig looked more closely at Robot Pig. "You're only painted pig," he said. "We've been tricked." "Yes," said the wolf as he jumped out from behind the cupboard. "It's time for my dinner." He chased out them around the table. "Squeal!" cried the pig. Chapter 5. The wolf was just about to take a big bite of Greedy Pig when Clever Pig noticed something. The wolf left the remote control by the front door. He thought. He picked it up, pressed the big red button in the middle. "Oink, oink, oink," said the Robot Pig. Clever Pig pushed the lever forward. Robot Pig rolled toward the wolf. "What's happening?" the wolf cried. Here, he's in the remote. Wait, sorry. Look, he's in the remote. He's going forward, forward. "Oink, oink, oink!" roared Robot Pig. The wolf looked up in terror. "Stop!" he cried. "I'm your master, remember?" "Arr!" screamed the wolf, and he ran out of the house. Robot Pig whizzed after him. On his super fast robo wheel. "Wait, that means you're hairy and scary," said the Robot Pig. "Ah!" screamed the wolf, and he ran out of the house. Robot Pig whizzed after him on his super fast robo wheel. "That Robot Pig saved our bacon," said the Greedy Pig. "That is a nice house, isn't it?" said Clever Pig. "Yes," said Lazy Pig. "We could be every comfortable here." Outside, the Robot Pig chased the wolf over the hills and out of the village, never to return. Finish book, the end. Do you want to do a quiz? Okay, let's start the quiz. One pig was clever, one was greedy. What is the third pig? Yep. The wolf walked with his tail between his legs. What does that mean? See? Okay, so bye.